Imagine a world so extreme, so hostile, that no other life on Earth could possibly survive. A place where boiling water meets crushing darkness, and toxic chemicals swirl in a deadly dance. Yet, in this seemingly impossible environment, one creature not only survives but thrives. This is the story of nature's ultimate survivor, the Pompeii worm. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, where sunlight never reaches, lies a realm of mystery and wonder. Here, in the inky blackness of the deep sea, we find one of the most extraordinary creatures on our planet. The Pompeii worm, a tiny marine animal that defies all expectations, challenges everything we thought we knew about the limits of life. Picture yourself descending into the abyss, the pressure mounting with every foot. As you sink deeper and deeper, the water around you grows colder and darker. But then, in the distance, a faint glow catches your eye. You've stumbled upon a hydrothermal vent, a crack in the Earth's crust where scalding hot water gushes forth, laden with minerals and toxic chemicals. For most living things, this would be a death sentence. The extreme heat, the crushing pressure, the toxic soup, it's a combination that should spell instant doom. But as you approach, you notice something incredible. Clinging to the sides of these vents are colonies of small, reddish-brown worms. These are the Pompeii worms, and they're not just surviving here, they're thriving. Let's take a closer look at these remarkable creatures. Measuring just a few inches long, the Pompeii worm might not seem impressive at first glance, but don't let its size fool you. This tiny animal is one of the most resilient creatures on Earth, capable of withstanding temperatures that would cook most other organisms alive. The secret to the Pompeii worm's survival lies in its unique adaptation to its extreme environment. Its body is covered in a layer of bacteria that forms a living shield, protecting it from the scorching heat of the hydrothermal vents. This symbiotic relationship allows the worm to survive in temperatures reaching nearly 176 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to make a cup of tea. But the Pompeii worm doesn't just endure the heat, it embraces it. These incredible animals build their homes right along the openings of the vents, where scalding hot water meets the icy chill of the deep sea. In this delicate balance between fire and ice, the worms create colonies inside protective tubes, living in perfect harmony with their bacterial partners. The relationship between the Pompeii worm and its bacteria goes beyond mere protection. Scientists believe that these microbes may actually transform the toxic chemicals spewing from the vents into useful energy for the worm. It's a stunning example of how life can not only adapt to extreme conditions, but turn those very dangers into opportunities for survival. Now, you might be wondering why we should care about a strange little worm living in the depths of the ocean. After all, it's not like we're going to encounter one on our next beach vacation. But the importance of the Pompeii worm goes far beyond its immediate environment. You see, the existence of the Pompeii worm challenges our understanding of what's possible in terms of life. It shows us that living organisms can adapt to and thrive in conditions far more extreme than we ever imagined, and this has profound implications for our search for life beyond Earth. Think about it. If life can exist in the crushing depths and boiling temperatures of hydrothermal vents, where else might it be hiding? Could similar creatures be lurking in the frozen oceans of Jupiter's moon Europa, or in the mysterious waters of Saturn's moon Enceladus? The Pompeii worm opens up a world of possibilities, suggesting that life might be more resilient and adaptable than we ever dreamed. But the significance of the Pompeii worm doesn't stop at space exploration. These incredible creatures could hold the key to advancements in various fields of science and technology. The bacteria that protect the worm from extreme heat could inspire new heat-resistant materials. The worm's ability to detoxify its environment could lead to breakthroughs in pollution control. And its symbiotic relationship with bacteria could provide insights into new forms of energy production. As we continue to study the Pompeii worm, we're constantly amazed by its resilience and adaptability. It's a testament to the incredible diversity of life on our planet and a reminder of how much we still have to learn about the world around us. The story of the Pompeii worm is more than just a fascinating tale of survival against the odds. It's a symbol of nature's endless creativity and adaptability. It reminds us that life finds a way, even in places where survival seems impossible, and it challenges us to keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what we think is possible. So the next time you're faced with a challenge that seems insurmountable, remember the Pompeii worm. Remember that even in the harshest, most unforgiving environments, life can not only survive but thrive. And who knows, maybe the solutions to some of our biggest problems are waiting to be discovered in the most unlikely places. As we wrap up our journey into the depths of the ocean and the incredible world of the Pompeii worm, I can't help but wonder, what other amazing discoveries are waiting for us in the unexplored corners of our planet? What other creatures might be out there, defying our expectations and rewriting the rules of life as we know them? And what about beyond our planet? Could life like the Pompeii worm exist on other worlds? As we continue to explore our solar system and beyond, the lessons we've learned from these resilient little worms might just help us recognize life in places we never thought to look. So, what do you think? Could life like the Pompeii worm exist beyond Earth? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next exploration into the mysteries of the natural world. Remember, in the vast expanse of the universe, life finds a way. And sometimes, the most extraordinary stories come from the most unexpected places. Until next time, keep exploring, keep wondering, and keep marveling at the incredible diversity of life on our beautiful blue planet.